We're bushwhacking through some old farmland, going to some old state land forest to possibly check out a ravine and creek if we can find it. All fresh snow.
That's a nice view.
It is a nice view. I like these old trees that are a little crooked. A lot of lichen on them. Just shows character and shows life. Like out of this tree, a lot of other things are growing and living. The mosses, the lichen, mushrooms, fungi, birds, insects. It's all one big symbiotic relationship. Very beautiful out here today in the winter. I think we might be following a little game trail. Looks like there's some animal prints around here. Yeah, here's that. Here's a ravine. We found the ravine. Just got to try to find water now. There's got to be water down there.
These look like deer tracks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, deer tracks everywhere so far. Wow, this is nice over here.
Yeah, these are definitely deer tracks.
It is nice out here today. Little stream down there in the ravine, all covered up with ice and snow, but there it is down there. In the summer, I'm sure this looks a lot different over here.
Look at this beautiful stream we found bushwhacking.
Here it is, right where we thought it would be on the map.
I bet that water's really cold.
I bet it is really cold. This has got to look so much different in the summer.
Well, yeah, there's probably no snow.
Wow. Look at that.
Looks a little bit different on a map.
If I was a little mammal, I would definitely live in here in the wintertime. Definitely too big of a mammal to fit in there.
Try to fit in.
I gotta check this out. It's nice up here. Let's go check over here now. If you like our video, hit subscribe, and I'll show you more of planet Earth, the planet we're living on right now.